Faber's 82 liters built-in oven is nothing less than a state-of-art marvel promising unparalleled cooking convenience. With a massive 82 liters capacity, go whimsical and create any desirous dish. It has radiant and double grilling functionality with the fan. Your kebabs and tandooris will be as juicy and flavoursome as possible. This 10-function built-in oven comes with push-button knobs on both sides of the control panel. The left knob is to select the function from its 10 auto-cook menu functions. The right knob is to select the temperature. One can begin cooking recipes by confirming the start button. Its digital timer increases your cooking precision. Due to its Class A energy efficiency, this heavy-duty built-in oven is actually light on your pocket. This built-in oven comes with a rotisserie which guarantees even cooking of the food, preserving its nutrition. It has soft door closing option where its damper closes by its own when pushed softly. If you aspire to stock your kitchen with the best that money can buy, Faber's 82 liters built-in oven is your answer. Order now.